Let's paint Legolas, the deadly archer whose keen eyes and swift arrows defend the Fellowship from afar. In this series, we're painting all the models from Fantasy Flight's Lord of the Rings Journeys in Middle-earth, using only the speed paints from Army Painter's Most Wanted set. The goal? Fully painted models in just a few evenings, with a simple, beginner-friendly method that still looks great on the table. We're starting each one with a zenithal prime. Full details are in the priming video. Start with Crusader skin on the face and hands. Use forest green for the trousers and tunic. Paint the cloak with Gravelord Grey. For the arrow fletching, go with Slaughter Red. Apply dark wood to the bow, arrow shafts, boots, leather straps, quiver and bracers. Using pallid bone for Legolas's hair. Highlight the tunic trim with Absolution Green. Use broadsword silver for the arrowheads and bracer details. Pick out the cloak clasp and belt buckles, raised elven designs on the quiver and bracer script with hoplite gold. Legolas is ready to strike from the shadows and guard the Fellowship with elven precision.